Good evening. Today is January 16, 2024, Tuesday, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas result today. Here are the SL3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City, Underlock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for January 16, 2024, Tuesday. Here are the SL3 7 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for Tuesday, January 16, 2024. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of January 16, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.